Hello guys and welcome back to my channel and thank you for support. And this video I'm going to download for the driver Canon. This here for you typing for Canon. And this here for the driver and this here for the fashion. Okay, if you need download you type here for the driver download. Okay, if you need install for the U printer or you download for the driver, please try and search for the official website for you. I am like download the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. If you need download, you click here for support imageCLASS. This here for you. Click here. This here. If you need download, you scroll down and this here for the tag automatic your operating system. And this here for operating system official website. The tag automatic your the laptop or PC and tag automatic for the operating system. Okay. If you need this here for the operating system for Linux. And if you make the operating system for the Linux, you click here. This here for the Linux version. Okay, this here for the Linux version, and this here for the Windows version. This here for the Macintosh version. You scroll down, and this here for the driver for Macintosh version, and this here for the new Macintosh version support. And this video I need download driver for the Windows, and this here for the Windows specific for the Windows 11, a new version for the Windows, like here for the Windows 11, and this here for the driver for the Windows 11 support. You're looking here for last update, and then this here for the new update the version. Okay, this here for the official website for you. If you need to look, click here for the title gener, generic plus for the printer for driver. You click here for the title and this here for button download. Okay, this here for button download. You click here for the button download. Click here for button download and this here for the driver download. Okay, if you need install for the U printer and this here for the instruction for you, instruction for the install, and I am user guide for you. And if you need install driver for the U printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and press white if finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic your operating system. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, use mobile Google or you looking for the my description and this here for the below and this here for the I am share for the official website for you. And if you need a question, comment below. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.